how to upload audio to Roblox Studio. So first what you want to do is just simply click on create right here at the top. Wait for it to load. Now just simply go to creations right here. And once you're here, you just need to simply click on the development items and just click on audio. Now as you can see, you can now add audio or upload audio. And just remember that the max number of files is 1 and the format should be on MP3, OGG, FL, AC, and WAV files. And the max size per file is up to 20 megabytes or 20 MB. So what you need to do is just simply click on upload asset. And of course you need to download an audio beforehand so that you could upload it. So now I have my file right here, so I'm just going to simply click on the upload asset and just simply click on the upload button right here. Just click on the file that you have. Once it's uploaded, you can now name it. I'm just gonna name mine Boom sound effect, just like so. You could also add a description if you want. Now just simply click on upload so that you can save our audio file. And wait for it to load. So once you have uploaded the file and it has no errors, you're now good to go. And that's how you basically upload audio to Roblox Studio.